I'm gonna show you that how we can change our normal side button into action button like iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, etc. So first of all, you have to go on settings, or you can go like this, then scroll down, go to advanced features, then go to side button. If you have enabled that quick launch camera, don't enable that. Go to open app and press the settings button, and you can choose any app you want to open when you double press your side button. So I will choose my Pinterest, or you can change anytime you want to anytime. So I have enabled Roblox, and if I double pressed, here we go, Roblox loaded. And if you want to open torch, then go to that and go to settings button and click on torch. It will be in left corner, up left corner. Okay, so enable that, and then my torch is on, but you can see. So let me turn on my camera so you can see it. Let me press double. Oh, can't turn on because the light is being used by another app. Oh, so I cannot show you. So, but if you double press the power button, it will open the torch. I cannot I cannot see you. No, you cannot see. My English is too bad because I'm not an English speaker. I'm not American. Sorry. So here we go. And now my power button is an action button. Yay.